you first?
What do here?
Oh, you don't have to do anything hard. You just like that.
I don't know what to say here. I'm so baffled.
Oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to say yes because I can tell. Oh, come on.
But thanks for the offer, Annie Rich. That's the thing I gotta do, so I'll be seeing you.